Hello, I will show you today how you change the brakes, the brake pad and the rotor. I'm not going to change the rotor, only the brake pad. So I will show you how to change the rotors too. So we need to take, there is two bolts, 13 millimeter. There is one here and one in the bottom. This is for the pad. So we need to open it first, make it loose, and I will show you the next step. So I make it loose now. Before, when you take the bolt, you need to push it like that. Bring something, screw something like that. Like screwdrivers, like this. So you need to put it here between the rotors and the pad, like this, and push it. So we need to push that piston there, and a caliper need to go back, so it will be easy to move it and take the rotors. And when you uninstall the new one, there's gonna be space, it's not gonna touch, you can put it easy. So we take the caliper is right here, and this is the old. So what I mean to push it with the screwdriver, so you need to push that piston to the back, this one, like this. This is what we did. So put it back. You don't need to open the brake oil bleeder. You don't need to do that. Don't bleed it. Just do it that way, how I show you. And we need to clean it a little bit with the W40. I did already, I clean it. If you see, it's clean. So you need to do it with the W40 and brush it with something like this. Okay. So we will, if you need to change the rotors, you see there is two bolts right here behind it, one here and one there in the bottom. This is for this one. Just take this two bolts and remove this. You can take the caliper, the rotors, it's easy. This why I push it with the screwdriver, because if you see the old one with the new one, it's too high, the new one. So you need to push that piston back so he can like make space for this. And the pads, there is two pieces. One of them is come with that middle here. So this is supposed to be in the bag behind.